Hello, my name is Maimuna Diomande. I'm your English coach, and it's a pleasure for me when I have to make video course with you. Today, we are going to learn a new video course, and this video course will be about the word worth. Don't confuse the word worth. Sometimes, when talking about the word worth, we only think about financial value. It's wrong because worth has some other meanings. In this video, we are going to learn the other uses of the word worth. Then, we will see the various contexts of the use of the word worth and some examples. Are you ready? Let's go! The context of the uses of the word worth. First, worth is used for financial value. Example, it means equivalent in value to the sum or item specified. Example, jewelry worth $450 was taken. Jewelry worth $450 was taken. On the second point, the word worth is used for sufficiently good, important, or interesting to be treated or regarded in the way specified. Example, the museums in the district are well worth a visit. On the third point, the level at which someone or something deserves to be valued or rated. Example, they had to listen this advice and judge its worth. The fourth point, the word worth is used to talk about the amount that could be achieved or produced in a specified time. Example, the companies have debts greater than 2 years' worth of their sales. Did you understand in this lesson the various uses of the word worth? I hope you did. So, thank you because you followed with me this video course, and see you for the next more interesting video. Thank you and goodbye.